This is nice, guys. So as you guys see, we have this line here. Hey guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this camping hammock. You know, obviously you don't have to use it just for camping. Be careful, it did come taped up pretty good, so if you use a knife to open the packaging, just be careful so you don't actually cut the hammock. But it comes in this nice carrying pouch. So it does have a rain cover and mosquito net. So the hammock is 102 inches by 55 inches, and the Rainfly is what they call it, is 144 inches by 112 inches. So keep that in mind. Let's see how this actually works. Oh, okay, I see. That's nice. So it's actually waterproof to protect your hammock and everything. You know, how about we just go set this up so we don't make a mess, guys. So you guys can set this up however you want. Everyone's gonna do it differently depending on their situation and do it yourself kit. But yeah, do it however you want to do it, but it's a nice hammock. So this is the zipper. So you can zipper it up, unzipper it. So that's for the net. The net is built in. Just take that off. Once you have this mounted on another, then you got your hammock set up, you know, however you want. This line here for a safety line. That way, if, for example, one of the straps would break, this line here will hold me up and not drop me straight down. But yeah, guys, I like it. Works great. Nice, guys. Definitely could fit a full-grown man. So yeah, I'm happy. Good hammock.